Yo, what's good, YouTube? It's your boy Tony. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to T and Tony TV. Welcome back to Unbox. If you're new to the channel, thanks for tuning in. Go there and hit subscribe and get notified every time we upload by hitting that little bell down there. You know what I'm saying? Somewhere in that area right there. So, without further ado, if you already been here, you know how we do. We get into the shoes. What we have here is... It's looking real good. What we have is one of my favorite models from Jordan brand Jordan, Air Jordan. It's one of the OG models. If you already seen the thumbnail, you know what I got. It's OG color blocking, but a new color. You know what I'm saying? A color we haven't received before. So, without further ado, let's get into the shoe, man. Go ahead and pop the top. Here we go. Quick. I don't know why I was expecting extra laces. It's a 13. They only come with one pair of laces, so. Anyway, got these retail from Nike. Price point went up $10. They bumped it up to $200 from that normal $190 that we used to paying for, which is cool. I mean, it's inflation. It's 2022. Like I said in my last video, it's to be expected. You know what I'm saying? With time, the prices go up. The material didn't change. The quality probably didn't change. The factory probably changed, but you know, it's the cost of living. So, what can you say? But these are official, man. I'm loving this. Side by side, front and back. This is the Air Jordan 13 Del Sol. So, you know I love Jordan 1s. I think the 13 might be my next favorite. Yeah. My next favorite model. So, let's get into the B-roll. Go ahead and close this thing out, and then you can go about your day or night, whatever time you're watching this. So, ladies and gentlemen, this was the Air Jordan 13 Del Sol. This is an OG color blocking with a new color, you know what I'm saying? So, I think at this point, as long as they keep that white base upper and make everything else the same, but just in a different color, we probably gonna cop it. I know I am, so. And they didn't mess up with these. And it's just a flip on the black joints that they had come out. That Melo played in when he played for the Nuggets. So, you know, this is the shoe, man. So before we get to the end, just want to shout out our sponsor, you know what I'm saying, Black Triangle, which is my brand. Links down in the description if you want to cop. And we got it all, man. We got hats, we got bags, we got shirts, All designs done by me, and that's it, man. So, like always, thanks for watching Unbox on T and Toni TV, and wear your shoes.